Welcome to the class, students. Today we are going to discuss a story, The Man Who Loved Trees. The story name is specified such a person who loved trees so much. That man was Homi Bhabha. Homi Bhabha was a famous or well-known Indian nuclear scientist. He was also an artist. He enjoyed designing building and garden, but most of all, he loved trees. He is also known as father of Indian nuclear program. In this given story, we can see two incidents when Homi Baba strongly protested and saved the trees along with about his life. So let us understand. The world knows Homi Jahangir Baba as an exceptional scientist, but few know of his deep love for nature. When the Atomic Research Center was being built in Trombay, the workers found a very old mango tree that stood on the land where a road had to be built. When they wanted to cut it down, Homi Bhabha strongly protested and said, a tree that had been there for 100 years had right to live. We can see another occasion when Homi Baba was traveling, he saw some people cutting down a rain tree. He requested to the workers to stop for a while. After that, he rose to Trombay as soon as possible and called the head of the horticulture department and asked him to transplant the tree somewhere else. He motivated the doctor to do that as the doctor was worried about his or her patient. Bhaba's journey, however, was neither easy nor straightforward because his parents wanted him to become an engineer, but he wanted to study mathematics. In 1922, when he gained admission to Cambridge University, his father allowed to him to study mathematics on the condition that he secured first class in the exam. Homi didn't disappoint his father. After that, he worked with famous scientists in Europe for 12 years and won many awards. In 1939, when he was in India during the Second World War broke out, he taught physics in the Institute of Science in Bangalore. He had a dream to open a fundamental research in Mumbai. So he wrote about his dream to J.R.D. Tata, who was the great industrialist, and it was fulfilled. So, like other scientists, Bhabha also believed that the true power of science in conserving, not destroying. So, thank you, students.